So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to download Monopoly Go in your PC. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically, to download the Monopoly Go in your PC, all you have to do is go to bluestacks.com. So what's BlueStacks, you may ask? So BlueStack is gonna be an emulator for your PC where you can actually simulate having an Android in your PC. So once you have installed this, it will act like a normal type of Android phone. So here you can actually download games. There's special features right here. There's things that you wanna might explore. It's pretty useful actually in playing mobile games in your PC, such as Clash of Clans, not just Monopoly Go, but a lot of type of games. So here you're gonna find a lot of games, as you can see, which are only found in your Android and iOS devices. So here you can actually check them out if you want to. So there you go guys, that is just how you download Monopoly Go in your PC. So if you like this video, I hope you subscribe and like the channel, and thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.